Tell me something about Max Abroad Education.
Well, we are delighted to introduce ourselves as a trusted organization dedicated to helping students achieve their dream of studying abroad
Okay, great.
and excelling in competitive entrance exams
Okay,
like
okay.
GRE, SAT, IELTS,
And
TOEFL.
TOEFL.
Right. We are also going ahead with upcoming vocational courses or technical courses, that what you call it nowadays, where we are going to include courses like machine learning, AI, drone technologies,
Great.
solar technology. So these are skills that basically would help students for the upcoming future.
Yeah, you're right.
We are going to also cater to having them speak good English, basically
Great.
conversing.
Great.
Speaking is anyone can speak, but conversing is a two-way.
Yeah.
So we're going to groom them in conversing as well as groom them in business communication skills.
Personality development. Yeah,
Absolutely. We're going to try and make them career oriented, but with the right set of encouragement and the right set of attitude that they need to take out into the world. When it comes to the career
Yeah.
or if they go abroad, they need to be confident wherever they go.
Yeah.
So, what Max does is a student brings their dream, we make it come true.
Okay, it's great. I heard with Mr. Azim also that we are providing a technical courses with Government of India certified.
That is
We are
true.
going to provide the certificate from the Government of India certification.
Right.
It's very great because it will be useful for the students who are going to go abroad and work.
Correct.
It's great.
And it's always good because once you have a skilled, you become a skilled person, you
Yeah.
have a certificate proving your
Yeah,
skill.
yeah,
It takes you all the way, even after you finish your 9 to 5 till the age of 50 job.
yeah.
You can still continue
Still
with the
continuing on the
skilled
same.
profession.
You're right.
You can open
Yeah,
your
right.
own business with a skilled one. Plus, we are going to have skilled professionals, not just teachers, but they are professionals that will be coming to Max Abroad Education to train the
Great,
students.
great.
So they would be having more hands-on experience than theory.
Hands-on experience plus we are going to do the group discussions and one-to-one counseling also.
Right. This is going to be mostly, it's not going to be just a student center where students come to learn.
Okay.
It's going to be based as an activity center
Right.
where they learn to communicate, share knowledge, share ideas, be confident in total. So
Yes,
this
yes.
is what our dream is. Any student that comes to us is going to be purely, we're going to base our counseling, which is free.
Yeah.
So that's going to be based on honesty. There are no promises, no false promises
Right.
that we're going to give the students. We are open to what they are looking for, and we're going to cater and tailor their needs according to what we have in our courses.
Yeah, right. Respect to the planning for the students abroad education, for the overseas education, what's your plan? What's your future plans?
Well, we are
For the
going
Jan
to-
intake, Jan intake, then 2026 intake.
Well, we are going to basically, well, there are admissions open, so we are we are doing our digital marketing, of course, online on Facebook, Instagram, for students who can check.
You are already tied with the different universities in the different countries.
Right, we are collaborated with universities in UK,
Yeah.
USA, Europe,
Australia,
APAC regions,
Yeah.
which is Australia,
Asian
Pacific
belt,
regions.
Asian
Right.
belt, it's great.
So they also offer scholarships, which are, I guess it's 100% scholarship, but it's basically tuition fees, and you have to have a grade score above 90
Great,
to
great,
qualify
great.
for that.
Okay.
But yeah, if students have these as basic, we do the start to end. We basically help them with counseling.
Good.
We help them with their preparations,
Great,
preparing them for the exams, their prep exams like IELTS, TOEFL.
Great.
We also help them with their applications, how to fill in, how to approach the applications. We also get them their visas.
Complete visa assistance you're saying.
Absolutely.
You're
So
right.
it's going to be a start to end process
Short-term process.
for the student, where we are going to try to make it as easy and comfortable as
Smooth process.
Correct. So that's what we aim to do here at Max Abroad Education.
It's great. Nice to speak to you.
Thank you. So if you do have anyone who's interested, you
Definitely we are going to let you know the
Absolutely.
students, and definitely we are going to tell them to approach you for the education for the overseas.
Sure.
And let you plan for the entry for
Contact numbers.
2026 Jan.
Please,
Thank you very
please.
much.
Thank
Contact
you very
numbers.
much. Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much. Have a good
Contact
day.
numbers, tell.
And you can reach us at 7021-51427. There's a 97000-51427. Also, you can reach us on 836-74-89999 and 97001-29811.
Yeah, tell them your office address
You
also.
can also email us at info@maxabroadeducation.com, and you can directly reach us at Abid's. We are at Surya Complex, fifth floor, office number 549, and it's going to be Hyderabad one. So looking forward to see you all. Have a good day. Best of luck, Janzi.
Thank you very much.
Take care.